Want to watch every big play on multiple TVs this Sunday? Here is how to stream NFL Sunday Ticket across your home using YouTube or YouTube TV with unlimited in-home streams, out-of-home limits, and multi-view on one screen.
Rule 1. Unlimited in-home streams. When your smart TVs, Roku, Apple TV, Fire Stick, and phones connect to your home Wi-Fi, you can stream NFL Sunday Ticket on as many screens as you want at the same time.
Rule 2. Out-of-home limits. If family members are traveling, YouTube allows up to 2 additional out-of-home streams on mobile devices or laptops. Do not have multiple TVs? Use Multiview to watch up to 4 live games at once on one television.
Set up your home network step by step. First, set your primary home location. Second, connect every device to the same Wi-Fi. Third, sign in with the host Google account. Quick recap: unlimited TVs at home, 2 screens away, and multi-view for 4 games.